So here I am cleaning the threads off of my ARP head bolts that I'm going to be reusing, and I'm installing those head bolts on the cylinder head. You could see for a second that I'm blowing out all of the holes, the bolt holes in this engine block to get any debris or grit or coolant out of the block, because if you put head bolts in an engine with coolant or grit or anything in those head bolt holes, it can damage the block, damage the threads, or blow a hole in the block depending if there's coolant in there. You see I have the torque sequence in front of me as I'm torquing them. I'm going back over the head bolts with a paint pen and marking every time I torque them so I know which one has and has not been torqued yet. The torque sequence on this is something like 120 pounds and 3 or 4 steps. Edelbrock, I think, said 4 steps, and the OEM instructions said 3 steps. So I did, I believe, 35 pounds, 50 pounds, 70 pounds, and then that 120 pounds. And I went back over there and I would put a white dot on each head bolt to know in which part of the sequence I was in. And then after I was done, I went back over all the head bolts with the final torque just to ensure that I didn't miss anything. Cleaning the intake manifold up here, cleaning out all the bolt holes of RTV. I've been told I'm a pretty RTV heavy guy, and say what you will about it, but it's just in my own experience. If you have a question about if something's going to seal or not, putting RTV on there, it can hurt you if you don't know what you're doing, but putting a skim coat on both sides of a gasket and installing a gasket has never done me wrong. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Give a super thanks if you want to help the channel, help to build. Other than that, have a nice week.